Back again. So, finally the weekend again. Got some time. So we're going to, we're gonna get rid of a lot of this. So I think the goal today is we'll get this ceiling out of here. I'll make the rest of this electrical safe at some point. Probably demo the rest of this. Might even just demo the rest of the whole kitchen. It depends on when I can get that freezer out of here. And we'll just keep working our way that way because I gotta find somewhere for all that stuff so it doesn't get super dirty and completely boogered during this whole demo process with all the dust. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. suppose we should update a little bit. So we got our little wing wall out here, which is good. However, over here, didn't realize, you know, if I'd have taken the 5 minutes and went downstairs and looked, but that's ductwork. That heads upstairs. So, yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do there. We might have to find a different route for that. But we also got this plaster all demoed. Nice. Got a little demoed over there. We still got to get up to the lid. No big deal. And then started demoing up here a little bit. So yeah, it's looking good. Almost had a house fire over here with some electrical. No big deal. Standard operating procedure. So anyways, I think I'm going to just keep on keeping on here with this ceiling. Try to get a little bit more of this done, but I ain't got a lot of time. We got to go do the domestics again. So it's always getting in the way. Unreal. So less yapping, more something that rhymes with yapping that means working. All right, that'll do it for today. Saturday. I'm out of time. But we at least got this living room ceiling demoed. We got a couple more walls. But yeah, making progress. See you tomorrow, people. All right, we're back. Back for Sunday Fun Day. So, I don't know. There ain't really much to say. I got stuff to do. I had to pause just to, I gotta tell you, this is an absolute grind. It's, I mean, it's getting done, but it's taking me a lot longer than I thought it would take me this weekend. But, we'll be there one day, people. One day we will be there. Well, I think I've reached my end for today and for this weekend. We got that out. We did run into a bit of a snag here. I think I mentioned it earlier, but we got ductwork running up to the boys' bedrooms. So, wasn't really aware of that. But I'm just gonna act like I didn't see that. We got a lot of this plaster down. There's still a little bit of messing around here. I never did make this electrical safe here, which is pretty on brand for me, actually. So that's good. And I did clean this up, which is really what this whole thing started with anyways, so I could get some plumbing downstairs. But yeah, I mean, I wish I got more done, but can only do so much in 2 days. Anyhow, there's the update that no one was looking for.